Hi, so I believe this is the first time that we're having a session on clapping go together, right?
Yes, this is the first time.
Yeah. So can you tell me how many sessions have you had till now?
This, sir, this
Yeah.
is my, what do you say to that?
Yeah.
I don't remember which session is it.
Yeah, approximately how many sessions have you had?
I had a lot of session with
About 20,
others.
more than 20 sessions, less than 20 sessions.
20, not 20, maybe 30.
All right, maybe 30 sessions. All right, understood. So can you tell me what brings you to clapping go? Why did you want to improve your English?
I want to meet new people and improve my English.
All right. So what are the major problems that you face while speaking English?
Uh, Speaking, it is the grammar.
The grammar. All right. Can we start with your simple introduction? Can you just introduce yourself once briefly?
Yes, sir. My name is Ritika. I am 9 years old and I live in Navi Mumbai, Ghansoli. My school's name is New Bombay City School and my teacher's name is Archana ma'am.
All right. And what are your hobbies?
There are 6 members in my family. I have 3 younger sisters and me.
All right. I was asking about what are your hobbies? What do you
My,
like to do?
my hobby is playing football and I like doing hula hoop. You might know that.
Yes, yes, yes. So you're interested in physical activities a lot.
Yes, sir. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. So I'm Karan Singh. I belong to Haryana. As of now, I'm staying in Bangalore. I did my graduation, which was BTech in Information and Technology. And as of now, I'm working with a company by the name of Newton School. I also take sessions on clapping.
Sir, can you tell me where are you from, Bangalore?
In Bangalore, I am staying in Kormanga, if you've heard of it. Bomanhalli, Kormanga, BTM. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I have heard, but I have never visited.
You've never visited. All right. I'll be shifting to Mumbai soon, you know. I'm waiting for a job opportunity from there, and soon I'll probably be shifting there. Yes. So fine. So let's do a very simple exercise today, all right? And as I am coming to Mumbai soon, let's assume that I am coming to visit you in Navi Mumbai. All right. How would you plan 1 day's trip for me? Like, where all would you take me? What all would we do? What will you ask me to eat? What all can we do? Where all can we go for shopping? Right? What are your favorite places? So, plan a day for me. Like, where would you take a friend if he comes to visit you in Mumbai?
I would show him first my building that
Yeah.
he can also stay there. So first I must find a home for him to live.
All right.
And if he is not comfortable, so I have to find that if I must know that he is comfortable or not.
Yes.
And I will take him or her to the beach.
Which beach?
There are so many beaches I don't know, sir, because I've never visited any beach.
You've never visited any of these beaches.
No, I'm
Why?
going to meet my father on his holiday.
So where does your father stay?
He also stay with me.
So what in your on your holidays, what do you do? Do you visit new places?
In my holiday, I only like that my favorite place is visiting my village.
All right. And where is your village?
Take my friend to my village because it's special.
All right. How far is your village from your home?
It is very far.
All right. Very far means 6 hours, 7 hours drive.
Yes.
8 hours.
6 or maybe 7 hours. It takes.
6 or maybe 7 hours of drive. All right. Understood. Fine. So first you will take me to a beach, or you'll take the person to a beach. All right. Next, what will you do after that?
After that, I will take to the park because there's one park. It is a little far from my home, but it's very fun to play.
All right.
There are
Uh,
monkeys that when I don't know what is that called. We swing on it.
branches.
Monkey bars. Yes.
All right. Monkey bars, monkey bars. All right. So you like to do monkey bars as well. That's nice.
Yes. And there is a mountain, so we climb the mountain.
Mountain or hill?
Not a real hill or a mountain. It's just a toy one. It's not too high.
All
Small
right.
kids both can climb.
All right. So it's that artificial climbing wall that is there where you can do rock climbing, where you can practice rock climbing, right?
Yes, at the end there's a big slide.
All right. So first you climb and then you slide down.
Yes.
Yes.
And the third place, I would like to take him or her to the restaurant.
Take them. When you say them, that includes everything, isn't it? He, him, her, she, all of it is included in them. So you can say them. I will take them to
The restaurant.
yes. Which restaurant? What do you like to eat? What would you suggest him or her to eat?
I would suggest her to eat hamburger
All right.
or her favorite dish.
All right. Right. So which is this restaurant? Is it your favorite restaurant?
Can you repeat, sir?
Is it your favorite restaurant where you'll take the person?
I don't have any favorite restaurant. All the foods in the restaurant are nice. So I can't.
All food. See, food can be used as singular and plural both. You don't use the word foods. All right. Foods is not a correct usage. All food in that restaurant is good, is what you're saying, isn't it? Great.
Yes.
So now you've had lunch, you had hamburger, and your friend has eaten whatever. Your friend has eaten whatever they want to eat, right?
Sir, what do you like to eat?
I like to eat sweets. I have a sweet tooth, right? Yeah, I was saying that I have a sweet tooth. I like to eat everything that is sweet. So like, I like chocolates, and mostly I like, so I'm pretty sure you must know about it. Puran Poli, right? That is one of my favorite dishes. Have you had Puran Poli? No.
No.
You're
And
Marathi.
there is one chocolate. It is very nice. It's a duck chocolate.
Okay.
There's a duck which is different colors. Orange here and yellow this side.
All right.
And if you remove the leg, there are chocolate inside.
All right. So that is something that you enjoy.
And if you do they sell that there?
What?
Do they sell that?
No, I have not seen that earlier. This is the first time I'm hearing about it from you.
There's the nice chocolate and another chocolate is a white chocolate. In the
All
middle,
right.
a big heart and so many circle in the front and at the last. And you can put it on your hand.
All right.
And when you're hungry, you can eat them.
All right. No, I have not seen anything like that. I just stick to simple chocolates. Yeah.
Oh.
No, apart from that, I like to eat anything that my mom cooks. Now that I've started staying out of my house, I like whatever my mom cooks. That is my favorite food as of now. Right? Yes. So now that you've had lunch, you've asked me what I like, and I have also ordered. Where do we go after that?
After that, we will go to the mall because at mall, if you could buy clothes.
All right. But aren't you tired after going around so many places? Like you played in the park, after that you went to eat food. You don't get tired easily?
I
No.
sometimes get, but I don't tell my father.
Okay.
You know what? How my sister is. She would go to the park, and when father says, "Let's go home," you might be tired. She would tell a lie to Papa and say, "No, Papa, I'm not tired." And then when she's sliding on the slide or doing something, she will say, "I'm so tired." I am also like that. If I'm tired, I will not tell Papa, so that so my father can go everywhere.
All right. All right. So you also don't tell your father that you're tired, so that you can stay more and play more.
Yes, play with my
Yeah.
friend.
That's so nice. That's so nice. Yes. Fine. So we go to a mall. We do shopping. What do you like to shop for? Do you do shopping yourself, or do you ask your parents to help you for shopping?
I just push the cart and put my favorite thing.
All right.
I like dress and a t-shirt which has so many drawings on it. When you do like this, it becomes another color. I
All
don't
right.
know the t-shirt called.
I also don't know if there's a particular word for it. There must be, right? In which you so either you say printed t-shirts, not t-shirts with drawings, right? Those are printed t-shirts.
Printed t-shirts.
Yes. And the other one that you said, I'm not very sure what is that called, where you swipe a hand and it changes color. I am not very sure of what that is called. Yes. So these are the two things that you like. And how are we traveling? Are we traveling by car? Are we traveling by bus, train, metro? What do we use?
I don't know, sir. It may be a auto.
Yes, it may be an auto. So what do you travel generally? When you're going with parents, you go in car?
No, because I don't use a. My father is going to learn how to drive a car.
All right. So he's learning how to drive a car now. That's great. So which car are you asking? Which car are you asking him to get there? Which is your favorite car?
Yeah, there is one car when and my family went when we were at village. So we went by a very nice car. It had AC, heater. It's called, I don't remember its name, but I want that car which can open the roof and close it.
All right. So you want a car with a sunroof?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Why you want to get out of it and feel the wind in your face?
Yeah, and we open the window, then my sister starts fighting. She would say, I want to sit here, and my mommy will say, oh, my stomach, I'm having a headache. Let me sit near the window.
All right. So everyone's fighting for the window seat.
Yes.
Yes. All right. You know, me and my brother, we also used to fight for window seats earlier. You're like, I'll sit next to the window. No, my brother used to say, I'll sit next to the window. And then what happened was both of us got a window, right? Because we were the only two who were sitting behind. So we used to have our window each.
Sir, whenever I and my sister used to fight, I would sit in the first near father, and there are two windows in the middle. So
Yeah.
my young Pari would sit, then my mother, and Radhika would sit at the last.
All right, in the end. All right. Yes. So that's also a way of tackling it, right? Yeah. Uh, so what do you like to do art and craft? What do you like to make things? Do you like to draw, color, paint, anything like that? Or you just
Yes,
like to play?
drawing, and I know how to draw, but I don't know how. I don't know craft. I'm
You
learning
want to
craft.
craft. All right. You know, I do a lot of origami if you've heard of it. You can see this. This is a rose.
Oh,
Yeah.
I made a handbag,
You made a handbag.
but
You know
it
what?
is right now in my this.
Other room. All right. No, I am sitting right next to it. This rose, if you can see, this is made of that silk wrapper, Cadbury silk wrapper. Yes. So I generally make a lot of things like this, small things with paper. So this is called origami if you've heard of it. Have you heard of origami?
No, never.
No. So I would suggest that after today's session you search what origami is. I'll type it in the chat box.
Sir,
Yes.
if you know craft, have you
Yeah.
ever made that craft? I made one craft. It's very funny. There's a flower. It is shaped like a boat.
The flower is shaped. No, I don't remember. Yeah, what happens then?
I made a flower boat,
All right.
and that boat was looking funny. It was a sailing boat, and we put We what is called that? Stuck or stick.
Stuck. Nee, what do you mean to say?
Then we use the glue and stuck it on the book.
To stick it.
Yes.
To paste it. Yeah, you can say paste it, right?
Pasted. Then what happened? Mistakenly, I put the yellow at the first, but I had to put the red at the first. When I tried to remove, then what happened? My drawing book was torn.
Yeah, it was torn. Yeah. All right. So then next time you took care about before doing this.
My friend said, you must look at the picture carefully. Which color is at the first? Which color is at the last?
In the front, in the back, not first and last. All right. Which color is in the front and which color is in the back?
Back.
Right? Yeah. Because you're talking about layers. So it was lovely talking with you, Ritika. As of now, we are almost out of time. So it was fun speaking with you. Hopefully, I'll be seeing you soon on Clapping again, right? And I hope you enjoyed as well.
I enjoyed, sir.
Yes. And it was a lovely activity. So you performed really well in the activity. Like you planned the whole day, and that was perfect, right? You told me how we'll be traveling. You took me to a beach. Then we went to a park where we had a lot of fun. We exercised, I believe, right? Then we went to eat food. Then mall, right?
And at the last, we sat on the bench and ate ice cream.
Yes. Perfect. Perfect end to the day, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
See, that is such a lovely way you can articulate your thoughts linearly. You can make a whole day's plan. This is what I was trying to see.